I wish I had gotten the implants sooner. They've just been made my life so much easier. I mean, I can eat, I can clean my teeth. I don't have to worry about eating something as my teeth are going to break off at the gums. It's wonderful. Unlike the dentures, these are just a piece of cake. They really are. I'm really glad that I got them. I don't begrudge it at all. The price, the age, any of that, I'm able to just enjoy life a lot better. There's no comparison. I mean, it's as different as night and day. Dentures, of course, move around. You get things stuck underneath them. They're uncomfortable. They don't always stay in place. You go to talk, and sometimes they're slipping around. Even though you use paste or anything to help keep them in place, the implants, there's just no comparison. It's easy to wash the teeth, water pick, and then brush afterwards. Piece of cake. It's just so different. I've had thousands of dollars tied up in my mouth. I mean, you think of 2 years of periodontal care, a splint for TMJ, implants, dental work, bridge work, cavities. It goes on and on. I have a high incident of caries as one of the reasons I had so many dental problems. I also have dry mouth, so that didn't help either. But I was not a number one super candidate for a dentist. I mean, every time I go in, they'd have to do something, and it wasn't always just one or two cavities. Sometimes it was more extensive. I had my dentures for probably 6 or 7 years. I didn't always wear both of them because they weren't comfortable and they flopped around in my mouth. It was hard to eat apples. Everything I had to cut up really small. And I've been doing that since I had a splint for the TMJ. I couldn't eat pizza with a slice of pizza. I'd have to cut it up. Everything had to be cut up. I was just thinking about dental implants and happened along to look into the internet and saw the ad for dental implants. It took a long time to be able to get the implants because of the health issues I have. I had to coordinate it with my gastroenterologist, with my family physician, the hematologist, because I have a bleeding problem. I have low platelets. It was a long process. Sarah and Dr. Cheema were very good about walking through it with me and making sure that we could make it happen. I got to thinking about it, and I thought, gosh, there's just things I can't eat, things I really want to eat, celery, peanuts, and was unable to do. So I gave it a lot of thought, and with the cost and my age, and was going back and forth. But I decided, you know what, there's nothing else I have to do. My children are raised. I don't have any heavy-duty financial obligations. So I decided, well, I would just go ahead and go for it. And I did, and I've been happy ever since. I can eat what I want. They're easy to clean. I come in every 6 months for my checkup. Oh, it's just been a breeze. It's been wonderful. But the results have been wonderful, and I'm happy with what I have, and I'm happy with the staff here. They're all super, and I don't regret it, not one bit. Dr. Cheema is not only a nice man. He's patient. He's caring. He walked through it with me very easily during the surgery, was very concerned. Not once did I feel like I didn't have a backup if I had a problem. And he's just always been there. We had to do a lot of different tests and get the okie dokie from, so many other doctors before Dr. Cheema would, take the risk. Of course, I don't want him to take a risk either. I mean, they all worked really well together. I mean, all the other physicians that I have worked really well together. It was almost like it was orchestrated to come to my benefit. The day of the surgery was really pretty relaxed. They gave me some nice stuff to take. By the time the procedure was done, of course, I was here all day. And the fact that I had to have jump through so many hoops with my other specialists to be able to get it done. And we had to just have the timing all just right. I had to have blood tests before they could do this. And I don't regret it. I don't regret it at all. I would absolutely do it again, yes. Yeah, that's me. It reminds me of an old lady that's got rotten teeth. I don't begrudge getting the implants. They've improved. I have people comment on my smile saying, oh, you've got beautiful teeth. And I've never had white teeth before. They're not exactly white, but they're a shade darker than the white. But it's the first time I've ever had white teeth that I've not been afraid to smile and show people that I have nice teeth. I feel more self-assured. I don't feel embarrassed to smile or let people see my teeth. No, there's no reason for anyone to look like that. If ever there's an opportunity to get the implants, I would take it in a heartbeat.